This magnet can lift 330 pounds. And it can instantly turn off with just this lever. Pretty cool. This is MPI's LM150 Rare Earth Permanent Lifting Magnet. This is the baby of them all. They have one of these that can lift over 4,000 pounds. Then they have battery-powered lifting magnets that can get well above 4,000 pounds. Let me go over a few of the features that the MPI LM150 has to offer. It has a 330-pound workload limit for flat materials, a very compact yet straightforward design that is built to last a lifetime. When the magnet is in the on position, you actually have to pull out and then up on the lever to be able to turn it off. So there's 3 reasons why this can lift so much weight. 1 is the design of the magnet. 2 is just the construction quality that goes into it and all the materials used. And 3, the types of magnets used, which are rare earth permanent magnets. These are some of the strongest permanent magnets on the market. So MPI can make some pretty impressive magnets. I can see why they've been the leader in magnetic tooling for so many years. So if you're looking for the best lifting magnet on the market, check it out at pintoolco.com.